And this is Sean Pierce, and we're from Missouri, and we want to thank Bill for having us here. And what we taught today in the 9 o'clock class on Saturday is a beginning triple two-step. So we're going to break this down for you. The first thing that we taught was just the basic position and the basic pattern. Position is the closed position, just like the two-step. The pattern is a shuffle, and a walk, and how it's counted is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Guy starts on his left, lady starts on her right. The turns that we taught, the first turn that we taught was just a basic rotation turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Guy will come across. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and drop his right hand to take the lady under on 5, 6. Okay? Second part of the turn that we taught was kind of a he-she type turn, or a she-he, as was pointed out by our class. And it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. The lady does a complete rotation for the 5, 6. Both people facing the line of dance. On the 1 and 2, the lady will continue turning 1 and 2, and she'll face her partner. The guy will prep with his left foot to make a counterclockwise turn on 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and he'll turn the lady on 5, 6 back to closed position. 5, 6. Okay? The third part that we taught was a little bit of variation, and we put a wrap into it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, wrap the lady. And then we put a basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, set her in, set her out, and 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The last thing that we did was put them all together so you'd have a great triple two-step routine.
We had lots of time.
We had a great class. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. We took out the basic. 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and back to the closed position. Thanks for having us.